Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete render cache in DaVinci Resolve. If you've been working on video projects for a while, you might notice your computer's storage getting eaten up by cached files. Clearing your render cache is a great way to free up space and keep your system running smoothly. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once the program launches, you'll be greeted with your project interface. This is where all your editing magic happens, but today we're focusing on a quick maintenance task that'll help optimize your workflow. Now direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several options. Look for the one labeled Playback and click on it. This menu contains various playback-related settings and tools that control how your timeline renders and displays footage. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option called Delete Render Cache. Go ahead and click on that. This is the command that'll help us clear out those unnecessary cached files that have been building up over time. After clicking Delete Render Cache, you'll notice another submenu appears with different options. For our purposes, we want to select All. This ensures that every bit of render cache stored on your system gets cleared, giving you the maximum amount of freed up space. Choosing all is particularly useful if you've been working on multiple projects or if it's been a while since you last cleared your cache. Once you click all, a confirmation dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is DaVinci Resolve's way of making sure you really want to proceed with deleting all that cached data. It's a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. When you see this confirmation message, simply click delete to confirm your action, and there you have it. You've successfully cleared your render cache in DaVinci Resolve, freeing up valuable storage space on your computer. This simple maintenance step can make a big difference in keeping your editing system running efficiently, especially if you work with high-resolution footage or complex projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.